Welcome aboard this beautiful 1995 Carver 440 motor yacht, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The 1995 Carver 440 is a well-regarded model known for its spaciousness, comfortable layout, and solid performance. This vessel has a stylish profile with a raised bridge and a spacious flybridge. Its design includes wide side decks and a sturdy bow, making it safe and easy to navigate. The construction features a fiberglass hull with a solid reputation for durability and seaworthiness. The overall build quality is robust, with attention to detail in the finishes. This Carver 440 is in excellent condition and has been meticulously maintained and has exceptionally low hours on her engines. There is a large swim platform that adds to the ease of access to the boat and entry into the cockpit. The large cockpit gives excellent ease of movement and access to the swim platform, both side decks, the salon, and steps that lead to the flybridge and boat deck. The cockpit includes a full enclosure and a bar with refrigerator and ice maker. This cockpit is safe and secure while at anchor or underway, and there's plenty of room for chairs and table in this wonderful space. The Carver 440 has a spacious and easy to access flybridge that has a wonderful panoramic view. You are protected from the elements in the full enclosure, and there is plenty of seating on the beautiful cushions, and the space features a dedicated captain chair at the helm. When at the helm seat, you have access to the wide range of electronics and controls that the Carver has to offer, including engine instruments and controls, chart plotter, and radar. There is easy access to the boat deck that includes a davit lift system just aft of the seating area. The seating and helm include covers that have kept this area in excellent condition. The side decks are easy to maneuver with high railings and grab handles. Once on the bow, you are greeted with a large sunbed that is safely and easily accessible by the walk-around bow and makes this the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. The anchor, windlass, and windlass controls are accessible and easy to operate. Entry into the salon is from the cockpit, and once inside you are greeted with a warm and inviting interior, while the sizable salon is bathed in natural light from the generous windows. The spacious salon features a comfortable seating area and entertainment center. Forward and to port is the dinette with a spacious U-shaped seating area. The galley is well appointed with a full-size refrigerator, microwave, stove, and ample counter space, making it suitable for preparing meals on longer trips. The forward cabin includes a under-over berth arrangement. The cabin has many storage options, including hanging lockers on both sides of the cabin. The forward head is spacious and has access from both the forward cabin and from the living area. Additionally, there is a spacious walk-in shower. The owner's stateroom is to aft and has excellent headroom and has a walk-around queen. This beautiful and spacious cabin enables you to savor moments of privacy and rest and is the perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. There is a vanity along with an abundance of storage options with drawers, cabinets, and hanging lockers. The private aft head is spacious and includes a walk-in shower. Engine room access is very easy and quick from a sizable hatch between the galley and the dinette. This vessel has a superb engine room with easy access to the twin engines and the generator. The Carver 440 motor yacht remains a popular choice for those seeking a balance of comfort, space, and performance. Its classic design and practical layout make it a great option for weekend getaways or longer cruises. To book your appointment to view this 1995 Carver 440 motor yacht, contact Little Yacht Sales.